Protecting passengers is critical when accidents occur, but it's even better to prevent accidents before they happen. In addition to having the best collision safety performance in its class, all-new Elantra is equipped with all of Hyundai's most advanced driver assistance systems. Forward Collision Avoidance Assist uses the vehicle's forward camera and radar to sense automobiles, people, and bicycles to help with braking. Blind Spot Collision Avoidance Assist helps drivers avoid hitting vehicles in the driver's rear blind spot while changing lanes through differential braking. Rear Cross-Traffic Collision Avoidance Assist helps you to avoid collisions with cross-traffic while backing out. Parking Collision Avoidance Assist also helps you brake to prevent collisions with people or objects in the rear while backing up. Driver Attention Warning detects negligent driving patterns and notifies the driver when a rest is needed. Hyundai's SmartSense safety system goes beyond simple warnings to assist you by applying the brakes. All-new Elantra offers carefree driving for both beginners and driving professionals.